Alysa Liu is an American figure skater. On March 28 at the 2025 World Figure Skating Championships in Boston, Liu won the gold medal, winning both the short and free programs. Liu dethroned three-time defending champion Kaori Sakamoto of Japan and became the first American woman to win the world title since Kimmie Meissner in 2006. Liu's victory marked a meteoric comeback after stepping away from the sport in 2022. Alysa Liu was born on August 8, 2005 in Clovis, California, the oldest child of Arthur Liu, an attorney who immigrated to the US from a small mountain village in Sichuan, China. In the 1990s, at the age of 25, Liu is the oldest of 5 children. Like her siblings, she was conceived through an anonymous egg donor and a surrogate mother. An accomplished jumper, Liu was the first American junior women's singles skater to successfully complete a triple axel in international competition, the first American woman to land a quadruple jump, the first woman to complete both a quadruple jump and triple axel in the same program, and the first woman to land a triple axel in combination with a triple toe loop in the short program. In 2019, Liu was named to the inaugural Time 100 Next list. When Liu won the 2025 World Championships in Boston, she became the first US woman to win the world title in 19 years since Kimmie Meissner in 2006. She became the youngest ever US women's national champion when she won her first title at age 13. A year later, at 14 years old, she became the youngest skater to win 2 senior national titles. Liu is the first woman to win 2 consecutive US titles since Ashley Warner in 2012 and 2013. She is also the first woman to win the junior and senior titles back-to-back since Mirai Nagasu in 2008. On March 2, 2025, Liu took part in Legacy on Ice, an ice show organized by US figure skating that paid tribute to lives lost aboard American Eagle Flight 5342. In early December, Liu also competed at the 2024 CS Golden Spin of Zagreb, where she won the gold medal. The following month, Liu competed at the 2025 US Championships, where she placed first in the short program, tying her personal best score of 76.36, which she had previously received at the 2021 US Championships, as well as second in the free skate and overall behind reigning US champion Amber Glenn. Going on to compete at the 2025 Four Continents Championships in Seoul, South Korea, Liu placed 4th in both the short and free program segments, ultimately finishing 4th overall, 1.48 points behind bronze medalist Sarah Everhard. In October 2024, Liu competed at the 2024 CS Budapest Trophy, her first competition since March 2022. In the short program, she under-rotated the second half of her triple-triple combination but otherwise skated cleanly, scoring 68.83 points and ranking in first place. In the free skate, she under-rotated 3 jumps but still ranked second in the segment and first overall, winning the gold medal.